emotions leaking from my heart. But before I continue, I hope my words reach you. Light is up for Haiti, such a beautiful people, such a beautiful country. Do they deserve to suffer? Such a beautiful nation, such a beautiful culture. And while my heart is racing, and I address the topic, what's the reason they're facing something so catastrophic? And while I search for answers and balance my thoughts equal, all I can come up with is God is testing the people. It's so incredible to witness the strength of the righteous and a clear example of how we come together in crisis. But the point I'm trying to make is that we shouldn't slack to come together like this when it's after the fact. We'll see the heroes that we had when it rains and it showers. See how the blessing manifests. Unity is power. And there is no question that